In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Shopify store live, enabling it for public access and ensuring your domain is set up correctly. So let's dive right in. First things first, if you're still hanging out in the world of free trials or haven't selected a paid plan on Shopify, you'll need to make a choice. Pick a paid Shopify plan that suits your business needs. It's essential because Shopify won't grant full public access to your store without an active plan. This step is crucial in removing any restrictions that may prevent your visitors from seeing your store in all its glory. Next, let's talk about the domain, an integral part of your online presence. Head over to your Shopify admin panel, navigate to the online store section, and then click on Domains. If you already have a domain you've purchased through another provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap, you can connect it to your Shopify store. Alternatively, if you're just starting and need a new domain, you can purchase one directly through Shopify, providing a seamless integration. Once you've got your domain sorted, you need to update the DNS settings. This might sound a bit technical, but I'll guide you through it. Access your domain provider's setting, and you'll want to set the A record, often referred to as the root or AT, to Shopify's IP address, which is typically 23.227.38.32. Additionally, ensure your www CNAME points to your storename.myshopify.com. Then, in Shopify's domain settings, you'll want to set your domain as the primary one and make sure that all traffic is redirected to this domain. This helps maintain consistency in your domain's appearance to customers. Moving on, we need to ensure that the password protection on your store is disabled. This feature is initially set up to restrict access while you work on your store. Go to Shopify Admin, then Online Store Preferences. Scroll down until you find the Password Protection or Store Access section. Uncheck the box that says Enable Password, or it might say Restrict Access to Visitors with Password. Don't forget to hit Save. If you're navigating through the Themes page and see a banner stating your online store is password protected, simply click on Remove Password to take down that barrier to entry. Now, let's ensure your visitors see the right look for your store by making your preferred theme visible. Navigate to Online Store and select Themes. Confirm that the active theme is indeed the one that you want your visitors to interact with. Sometimes you might have been working on a draft or unpublished theme, so check that it's ready for the world. Finally, let's do some testing. Visit your domain in a browser, preferably in incognito mode, to experience what your visitors will. Check that your pages load correctly, products are displayed nicely, and that the checkout flow is smooth. Also, ensure that your payment, shipping, and tax settings are functioning as expected, providing a seamless experience for your customers. That's all there is to it. With these steps, your Shopify store should be live and ready for visitors to explore. Happy selling!